Hi, this is Heather from foodlovinfamily.com. Do you have an air fryer or have you been thinking about getting one? Well, we use ours all the time. I use mine at least 3 days a week. And today I'm going to show you how easy it is to make simple cheeseburgers right in your air fryer. It only takes a few minutes and they come out delicious every time. So grab your apron and let's get started. All right, for this recipe, I'm just going to use some lean ground beef. You can use whatever you like. 80-20 is typically good. It has a good fat content in it, but this is what I had on hand, so I'll be using that. Next, we'll be adding in a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. I just like the flavor that this gives the burgers, kind of a nice salty flavor. And the great thing about these burgers is you can really customize them to whatever seasoning you prefer. Next, I'm going to add a little bit of garlic powder. I also like using McCormick's steak salt, or you could use seasoning salt, whatever you like. Then I'm going to be adding in some ground black pepper. And I do anywhere from half a teaspoon to 1 teaspoon. And then a little bit of salt. I'm using some pink Himalayan sea salt, but you, again, can use whatever you like. All right, next, just using my clean hands, I'm going to mix up this burger mixture, and actually I'm gonna take my ring off here, and form patties. Make sure not to overwork the meat too much, or else it will dry it out. Okay, I'm going to now move my plate over here and add a piece of wax paper. I like my burgers a little on the flat side. So I'm gonna pick a little ball here, place it on the wax paper. And I'm gonna place another piece of wax paper on and grab a pot to smush it down a little bit. Okay, because my burgers are on the leaner side, I'm going to spray my basket with some olive oil. And then depending on your air fryer basket size will depend on how many burgers you can fit. So again, I made my burgers a little flatter and wider. So I think I'll be able to get 2, maybe 3 in. You want to make sure that they do not overlap because you want that air to circulate around them.
You're going to set your air fryer for 380, and then I flip over the burgers after 5 minutes and then add a couple extra minutes depending on how well done you like it. Then you can add your cheese and then simply put your basket back in the air fryer, leave it there for a couple minutes, and the cheese will melt.